Alright.
Oh, God.
He come and come with you.
No water.
I am going to people take it and that's your main water.
Hi guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So, today is Friday, but it won't be Friday whenever you see this. I'm going on the road this morning. I'm a little bit under the weather. I'm a little bit under the weather, but I'm pushing through. I have some stuff to do that, not really delaying, but I just wasn't feeling well, so I couldn't get them done. I have packages to go pick up today, and what else? Oh, I have to go get just some little breakfast items for myself and stuff like that. I would have already gone to get it done, but I didn't feel well, so I'm gonna do it today. Okay. Oh, I put on back my press-ons, the knife shaping ones. I had another set in there because you know you get like 24 or something like that. So I just used the rest, and lucky me, the rest of them, you know, they fit. So lucky me with that one. Oh, also, my hair all done, as you can see already. Let me just put this in. Yeah, so hair, as you can see, all done, all good. Oh, I'm going to feel. Okay, so I'll be wearing my twist outs or my mini twist for, you know, like another month or so. I have this package up at my shipping company for ages now. When I say ages, people, I mean ages. It's not been up there, but it's been on my dashboard for the longest time, talking about it's been in transit. And no matter how much I reached out, I was never getting quite the right answer that I wanted to get about the package. Like, I didn't know what was really happening with it. So eventually, me just get mad and tell them, say, listen, if I don't hear about this package soon, may I come for a refund? And after that, I just stopped sending emails. I just wasn't going to go back and forth with them anymore. You see how simple, you see how these places can behave sometimes. As soon as you tell them, oh, you want back your money, they've suddenly found the package. Like, not even gonna take them on, honestly. But anyways, I am going to get going now. I have basically everything ready. I'm just gonna throw my bag on and go. Outfit today is just this long sleeve shirt, and I have on some jean shorts. It ain't nothing special. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get my bag together, and then I'm gonna leave. See you guys when I'm back on the road. I'm on the road, but I'm basically going back home now because I just went to the shipping company, finished, went to the supermarket. I picked up just some breakfast items and stuff. Not feeling well, and I'm still not feeling well, but it's okay anyways. I'm going back home now, so I pick up something to drink, just some little sparkling water, something for drink, and just a little something for taste, something more. In the meantime, I don't really feel like eating anything at this moment, but more than likely I'll make dinner later. I'm sure of that because I know I'm mega hungry later, so I'll make dinner later. So I picked up something to make dinner, stuff for breakfast, all of them because I'm there, so I don't have to go back on the road again. I'm heading back now, and then when I'm home, I'll catch you guys back there. So mom just pulled out her stuff that she was waiting on from the shipping company. People are literally just too pot, and they took almost 2 months to give it to me. And if I never tell them someone about money, I wouldn't get it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the supermarket, because I got a few things for myself, but also for mama as well. So I mostly got like just food items, breakfast and lunch and stuff for dinner. So I got 2 packs french fries first off. They had the bigger bag there, but it never looked like say very fresh at all. So I'm gonna just work with these 2-packs that are the best. Let's work with the pack ones. I got some sour cream because I'm going to make something for dinner that requires it. So I got this little jar of it. I didn't know it was this inexpensive. It wasn't that expensive. I was expecting it to be more. Frankfurter, just some regular chicken frankfurter, bologna or salami, whichever one. Some peppers. Boy, yeah, some scotch bonnet, scallion, pumpkin, thyme, this is chicken breast, the chicken breast quarter with the bone in. And the last thing in this one is leg and thigh. So the leg and thighs are from mom. I think she's gonna do a video with them. The breast quarter or quarters are for me to do whatever I need to do with them and so forth. The pumpkin and the pepper and scallion and stuff, that's for mom because she's probably gonna do her video with those stuff. Alright, on to the second bag. This was basically most items I bought. Hot dog buns to go with the sausages. I got just some little gummy bears. You know, sometime at night time I always feel like little, you know, something sweet. So I picked up one of that. Got some snacks, you know, some regular little snacks to put in the house for me to eat. And also I got some chips to go with the food I'm making later. So yeah, just some snacks and light stuff. I don't buy a lot of snacks all the time because I don't really snack a lot, but said why not just get it today since I'm not going under that much anymore. More snacks. Oh, I bought this granola, but now that I'm looking at it, I feel like I should have picked up the other one because it looked like it had more. Oh, but that was my fault because I didn't even realize like it didn't make much of a difference. So it's this, I've been wanting to have like, you know, granola in the mornings with like cereal or yogurt and stuff like that, but I don't have any yogurt. I forgot to take up yogurt, but I use granola in other things. I use it in cereals or like, you know, mix up stuff, whatever, oatmeal. So I bought this thing of granola. There was another pack there. I'm gonna pick it up and I didn't see a price, but I carried up to the cash register to get it price checked. When I went up there and get the price check, I look on the price, I forgot to say the tax add-on $330, and then when we look up and them take it off, I realized it was cheaper than this one and it had more in there. So I don't know why my brain just nobody at work at that time. So instead I picked up this one. And the other one had more. Well, in my opinion, I felt like it had more, but I really just I use granola that much, so this should last, hopefully. Milk, some cereal. I've been eating some cereal in here. This is the red and white one. This one is the best one. The other one that we bought was a long time ago, was not it. Flour, more flour, that's from mom. Just some toiletries, some tissue. And last but not least, some sugar. So yeah, that's my little haul from going to the supermarket. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got out of my stuff that I picked up from the shipping place. Guys, I'm in my room now. I turned on my fan. So I'm just showing you guys some of the stuff, well, the things that I got outside of packages, because mom bought her pots and stuff and I got something different. So in one of the packages, mom got some white shirts and stuff like that. So she already has her little white shirts that she That's just some white blouses, so she already has those. I got a new phone case. It's, as you can see, it's pink, has a little cute design on it, because I wanted to change out this one. I wanted to have, you know, just some options. So I got this one. I already have it on, and I got, use the share. I got this one also. This one is just like cute little leopard print. I also got mom some phone cases, but unfortunately they don't fit her phone. I didn't know like there was a tall and short version to the same type phone. So now that I know that, I'm just gonna repurchase those ones, but in the shorter version for her. Unfortunately they don't fit her phone, but they looked really nice, but they just don't fit her phone, and it's kind of annoying because I really wish they would fit her phone, but they don't fit it. But it's okay, I'll just get back some new ones for her. This is the other one. This one's a little bit more, you know, flexy, kind of like this. Yeah, but this one just has a cute little print. As you can see, I like the pink colors, so I've kind of just been working with those. I didn't buy a whole bunch of stuff, so don't expect that. I got some makeup stuff. I got this primer, a little hydrating primer. I got a concealer. It's in this little package. Got a concealer to like do my makeup and stuff. Just to change out. There we go. Alright. And I got two lip oils. They're like a little bit, I don't know, a little bit different from lip glosses. I guess they're a little bit more sheer, I guess. But this is the first one. I had put this on just to smell it, and it smells really, really nice. Why not put it on? There we go. Has one, oh, it has one of these big applicators, and it smells so nice. Alright. And then I have this other one. This one is more of a colored version. I just realized my battery is dying, so I have to go put it to charge. This one's a more of a little colored version, but same idea with the applicator and stuff. Right, so that's basically all I got. I'm gonna pack up my stuff now, take a liquor or so, because I still, as I said, I don't feel well. Gonna eat a snack or so, and then you guys will see me later. So guys, it's 11:25, and I am in, well, I'm at the front part out here in the like TV room area. Me and mom were out here watching some wrestling. She went to bed and left me alone, so I'm here by myself, and I'm taking the opportunity to do some schoolwork. I have an assignment due. Well, it's not really an assignment, it's just a little question for do. It's due the 29th, so I want to do it now and like get it out of the way so I don't have to worry about it again. Oh, which other something this right so side arm. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. I'm just trying to start this. I don't think I'm gonna finish it, but I at least want to start it. That's the most thing that I want to start. So I'm gonna be doing this, and then after this I'm going, but I'm not really gonna bed yet, but because I already had dinner, by the way. I had dinner. I had my gummy bears already that I showed you guys previously, because I was gonna eat those. Did skincare and everything. I haven't wrapped up my head yet for tonight. I just put flipping on. I'm gonna wrap it up, and then after this I'm probably gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys I'll see you guys the next day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. No, you don't have to pause it. It's okay. You can turn it down. You know, for something there, you can just turn it down or so. Yeah, so today is Saturday. It's about after 10 now. I woke up from a good while now. I've been up for a while now. I was finishing the assignment that I started last night. I just have to do some um rereading and fix up the writing a little bit, some final touches to it, and then I can send it off today because it's due Monday, so I'm gonna send it off today. I'm gonna make some breakfast, so I'm just gonna make cereal. Have a bowl here. So I'm just gonna make some cereal. Have my regular cornflakes. I'm gonna try the granola today. I took one little scrub taste of that last night very randomly, just to see how it tasted, just to see if I never waste my money. It's not bad, it's okay. The pieces are very chunky. I wasn't really expecting them to be this chunky, but I just won't use too much because they're a bit big. I just didn't expect the pieces to be that big. Anyways, I don't eat granola very often. I'll have the bars. I don't eat it very often, but it's nice to put in your cereal sometimes. I wouldn't say oatmeal because it's already oats, so feeling wise, I'm feeling much better this morning. I was feeling okay last night. I wasn't too bad last night either, but I'm feeling much better this morning. So can get what I need to get done. This is like so much though. Okay. For these type of cereal, they don't really have any sweetness to them, so I like to add a little sugar. And then today for dinner, I'm gonna make what I was supposed to make yesterday. All I made yesterday was just a hot dog. I'm gonna bed because I was really tired. All this. So today I'm just gonna do says they use the milk them so them done, but so I can have to buy milk every 2 business day. Yeah, so this was what I meant by that the pieces are a little bigger than I expected. Kinda big. Never expected them to be that big, but whatever. It tastes nice though. So I just put a little bit, not too much, just to taste up in the cereal, like so. I might buy another pack if I like how it tastes to my cereal. I might get like another flavor because I had some other ones. This one is honey nuts. I think they had like apple cinnamon and some of them had something there, but I'm not really an apple cinnamon girl like that, and I always mean I'm mood for that. So so that is that. Cereal is done. I'm going to eat my breakfast and then I have editing to do once again and finish up my assignment, and then once I'm done that, one more. I'm not sure yet, but I think after that it's just for me to make my dinner. Guys, you will not believe what day it is. When did I start this vlog? Whenever I should even start it, but me today when I started. Today is Saturday, the 3rd of February. You understand? The 3rd of February. I'm in a whole new month. A whole new month since I started the vlog. And the reason for that genuinely is just because, what was it? School. It was just school. It was just school. You see? It's like I keep telling y'all, like, timing for school with me nowadays, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I forget that I'm even doing these things anymore. Like, school has taken up a majority of my time this week, along with other things. And I genuinely forgot. Like, I remember that I was supposed to finish the vlog, but I never did. So the last time you saw me, I was packing out groceries from when I bought stuff last week. And now this is a whole other week. So I'm going to find an outfit to go on the road. Well, no, maybe make my bed first. Make my bed first. Find something for wear. Then we'll go on the road. By the time I make my bed, figure out something for wear, pull out my ear, put it on and everything, it will be time for me to leave to go on the road. I want to stop by either Fontana or Starbucks today, but why? It's a Saturday and I just know that it will be packed up even if it's this early in the morning. I'm kind of dread wanting to go, but I do want to go either one of the two of them. I want something in Fontana, but I also want to get something at Starbucks. I don't know. I don't know. But the place them just always pack up, and personally, me not join the Starbucks line. Personally, me not join it. It's not worth it to stand up in that line that long. So if it is the case that over Starbucks pack up, I'll just go to Fontana and get like one or two things that I need, and I'll get some. I'll do something else or whatnot. Yeah. So we're gonna move find an outfit, and then we'll get back.
This looks too fat or what?
I don't know how them stay now, so you have to.
Well, let them I see.
Them all the same? I just pick up one, we look alright. I just work with it. Just like something the same size. So one there, try that one there. Look alright? Go on with that, yeah. Alright. No man, that go. Yam, sweet potato. Alright, beetroot. Yeah, over here. So see them here. So we're in the supermarket now, guys. I'm just picking up a few things mommy wants. Oh no, not too bad. That's alright? Alright. Scallion. See them down here, so. Right here, so. Yeah, go with that one there. Only cup something and pepper. It's a little bag here. Alright. For work with it. Alright. So we're done with it right here, so. We put a gallon of water, flour and sugar. I'm gonna end the vlog here now. It's about 1 o'clock or so. I just eat some food. Thank you guys for watching. I should have been more active with this vlog, but I wasn't because I had other things to do, honestly. But for this, January was just a very standstill month, very long but also very standstill month, and it kind of up and down, you know, in terms of like getting back on track, vlogging again and all that. So but now that we've started a new month, I'm trying to be more consistent with it as best as I can, as long as I get the time. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. You know, it's not really that much of a big vlog or anything, whatever, do not much, but hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in another vlog or video coming soon.